Hi, this video describes how to use Comfort 705R and 710R recharging units. These two models have been specifically designed for the R134a refrigerant. They are entry-level machines designed to carry out the service in a full automatic way, but at the same time to allow the user to get a price-affordable product. Thanks to the presence of high-efficiency pressure sensor, refrigerant scale, time-based oil and UV injection, the unit is capable to carry out the service with high-efficiency accuracy. Let's see now the working principle of these two units by referring to the 710R model. Connect the power supply of the Comfort unit directly to the main socket on the wall. Avoid always the usage of extension cords. Once the power supply will be given, you can turn on the unit by using the main switch located on the side of the unit itself. Wait the ignition of the unit, and once the unit will be ready to work, you can play over the menu by using the user-friendly keyboard located on the front panel of the machine itself. In order to program the working cycle automatically, access the menu AC Maintenance, Vehicle Selection. The unit will allow the customer to select the make and the model of the vehicle directly from the internal database. In this way, the correct amount of refrigerant and the proper oil type will be automatically selected. The Comfort unit will then ask to choose whether injecting the oil automatically or manually. In case of automatic oil injection, the unit will ask immediately the amount of oil to which the user would like to be injected. If the oil will be injected manually, the unit will stop at the end of the vacuum in order to allow the user to choose how much oil to inject, compared to the amount which has been drained during the recycling phase. In case of Comfort 710R, the unit will also allow to inject an amount of UV additive. By confirming with the Enter button, the unit will allow to specify the amount of UV dye to be filled in the AC system of the vehicle. By pressing the Enter button on the desired option, the unit will give the user the opportunity to select whether to carry out the service using both the service pipes or only one of them. In order to perform the manual programming of the single steps of the working cycle, access the menu AC Maintenance, Customize Service. Press the Enter button to confirm a function or the Down button to skip it. The Comfort unit will display the following phase in sequence: recycling, with the possibility to change the residual pressure increase test time; vacuum, with the possibility to change the vacuum and leak test times; select the type of oil between PAG and POE; and the amount of oil which should be refilled into the system. The UV injection phase gives then the possibility to specify the amount of dye which the user would like to inject into the system. Finally, the system charge gives the possibility to specify the amount of refrigerant which the customer would like to charge into the system of the vehicle. By pressing the Enter button on the desired option, the unit will give the user the possibility to select whether to carry out the service using both the pipes or only one of them. At this point, the Comfort unit is able to start the recharging service. The user has just to connect the service pipe to the system, open the valves on the couplers and the manual valves over the Comfort unit to start the recharging service over the vehicle. The first phase to start will be the recovery of the refrigerant from the vehicle's AC system. The residual pressure controlled and recovered oil discharge phases will follow. Then the vehicle's AC system vacuum phase will be started. The unit will then perform an under vacuum leak test in order to check the AC system sealing before starting the injection operations. At this point, the amounts of oil and/or UV dye that were previously programmed will be injected. Now the unit will be capable to proceed with the charge of the refrigerant into the vehicle's AC system. At the end of the service, the user must disconnect the hoses from the vehicle's AC system. The unit will then automatically recover the refrigerant remaining into the service pipes. For any further information about the safety regulations and product functions, read carefully the Technical Operative Manual. Thank you for your time.